In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an NFT collection on OpenSea. By the end, you'll have a published contract and be ready to add the details that make your collection shine. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io. This is the homepage for OpenSea, and from here you'll access the tools you need. On the left side of the screen, look for Studio. Studio is OpenSea's creation workspace, and it's where you'll set up and launch your collection. Inside Studio, click Create New. This starts a fresh setup. You'll notice there's an option for a scheduled drop. That's useful if you want your collection to go live at a specific time, which can help with marketing and coordinated launches. If you don't need scheduling right now, continue with a standard setup. Next, select Create Collection. This takes you into the collection builder. You'll see an upload area that says you can click to upload or drag and drop. Use this to upload your collection's primary image, typically a logo or cover graphic. Pick a clean, recognizable image that represents your project at a glance, and then choose the file on your computer and click Open. High-quality PNG or JPG files generally look best. Just keep an eye on file size and dimensions so it displays crisply. Now fill in the basic information. Enter a name to identify your project. You'll also see a field for the token symbol. This is a short ticker, usually a few uppercase letters, that identifies your token on-chain, so choose something unique and easy to read. If you're prompted for a collection name separately from the project name, keep them consistent and brand forward so collectors can find you easily. Choose your chain from the dropdown. Common choices include Ethereum and Polygon. Each chain has different costs and speed trade-offs, so pick the one that fits your audience and budget. If you're testing, consider a low-cost network. For a main release, choose the chain your community prefers. When your details look good, click Publish Contract. This action deploys your collection's smart contract. You may be asked to confirm the transaction in your wallet, and depending on the chain, pay a network fee. Give it a moment to process. Deployment can take a little time. After your contract is live, click. Next, collection details. This moves you to the page where you can fine-tune things like descriptions, links, categories, and more. You're now set up to start adding items and polishing your presentation for collectors.